I think a lot of people would probably think, oh, everyone is different. But in reality, we just need that nudge. Sometimes, and a lot of times I tell people because they're like, oh, I've just lost my quilting mojo. Oh, I don't know where to start. Oh, it's so overwhelming. And I'm like, grab one thing, spend 5 minutes, just 5 minutes working on it. Commit to 5 minutes. Because if you'll do it for 5 minutes, you might look up and be like, oh, wow, I worked on this for half an hour because you when that 5 minutes is all you need to recapture that joy, the serenity, the flow of making a project, any project. It doesn't even matter what it is, as long as it's something that you can commit to for 5 minutes. Because even long arming, if you're machine quilting and you're like, oh, it's such a big quilt, it's so much work to quilt this whole thing. But if you just start working on it for 5 minutes, then your body relaxes, you get into that flow, you forget about, the dog or whatever, and you just get something done. And then you feel such a sense of accomplishment because you moved forward on something, anything, right? You weren't spending that 5 minutes or 30 minutes watching Netflix, scrolling on your phone, that type of thing. You have accomplished something that made you feel good about yourself.